How to use Amora app for free. So here is Amora app. You can just find it in here. And while you can use some parts of it for free, not the whole app, but I will show you how maximally use it for free. So here, if you want to see your soulmate, you need to upgrade. There is no way to go through this. You need to upgrade. But if you want to see some of the insights, like horoscope, your true soulmate, some of the things, you can just tap to get insights, and then you can just use your moons, which you can get with the referral codes. So you can just see in here. So then you just tap get free coins, and then you need to basically share your code. Or for the start, just use my code. So here's my code 6C3EYT, and then just enter it here in the bottom. So just enter it here. And then, for example, I shared my code on YouTube Shorts on YouTube, and then I just type claim my coins, and you can see I've earned 156 coins from referrals. So that's pretty cool, right? So I earned all of this for free, and the price of it is almost like $45. Like you see the worth of these moons is almost like 200 moons, $45. I have 186, and I can unlock all the insights for free. How did I do that? Again, I just created an account and shared my referral code on YouTube Shorts and so on. Also, by the way, there is a website which is called topappdeals.com, which you can go, and there are a lot of codes in here, which you can just find, specifically codes for apps, which you can find in here. And then you can share your own code, and people will copy it and share this way as well. So that's kind of pretty cool as well. So try it out.